Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake making another video today. Today's video is going to be called Custom Paint and Decals. That's right. I decided to offer a new service on my website to provide custom painting and decaling for your vintage outboard motors. Johnson, Evinrudes, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. I've been getting a few requests. You know, I do them for my restores. I'm on restore number 172, and all the full restores get custom painting and decaling, so I thought I would offer it. If you just want to spruce up your motor and make it look good, just ship me your cowling, and I'll make it look brand new. So you can find it on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I got a link on there called Custom Paint and Decals. Just click on that link. It'll bring you up to a form. Just fill out the form describing which part you want done. Ship it to me. I'll use the paints from Vintage Outboard Paints. They got the authentic matching paints back from the day. And then I get my decals from discontinueddecals.com. So I'm about to put this decal on here for Cliff for his custom done restore. So if you want to spruce up your motor and make it look good, just contact me through my website, and I'll come back to you with a price and with a delivery date about how long it would take, and we'll make your motor come back to life. Because remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.